In this video, I'm gonna show how to hack such a circuit to make the RGB LED dance in 3 different mode. As general information, the board operates with a 3-volt coin cell battery, uses 6-pin IC, a capacitor, a tactile switch, and about 6 LEDs which are controlled by the 6-pin IC. The board has 3 different mode of operations, therefore this video shows how to upgrade from this to this. Let's get started. The first thing is to track down each circuit path of the circuit board, presenting us the circuit diagram. The chip switch ground to LEDs to blink them in 3 different modes, implying that the LED are connected in common anode configuration. The LED strip are as well connected in common anode configuration, so you might think let's connect the output pins of the chip directly to the LED strip. While the tiny LEDs require 3 volt and tiny current to work, the LED strip requires 12 volt and high current to work. That's when we realize we're gonna need transistors. Now we can simply use an NPN transistor with 1 kilo ohm base resistor. When a positive voltage is applied over the base, it activates the transistor and the LED turns on. But the unknown chip switch ground. While the chip switch ground, it does so by pulling 3 volt to ground. The 3 volt will eventually turn on the transistor, while the ground turn it off, creating the LED blinking effect.